ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
Dear sisters and brothers, a warm morning to you all. I am the team chairperson along with my colleagues present in front of you. Do you know why we are gathered here today? We are gathered here today to dissertation about our Indian Constitution. Because this is a memorable year to us. This is the 75th year of our Indian Constitution. Our country is the top country in the world because our country is a freely developed country. This is because of our ancestors. Our ancestors sacrificed their lives by fighting against many things for our freedom. In the old is a rich country in the olden days. The founder of Mughal dynasty was Babur. The main reason is to rob our country. There are also some notable rulers in the olden days like Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb. They also built some iconic monuments like Taj Mahal and Red Fort. The last ruler of Mughal dynasty was Aurangzeb. In the late 18th century, they left our country by the influence of the Britishers. After them, Britishers entered into our country. They also came to India for financial purposes and to occupy our country. But they harassed people very much by collecting lands and taking taxes. But our national leaders did not like the ruling of Britishers because they also exported some fabrics like silk, cotton to England. They also exported some spices like cloves, cinnamon and pepper. They were very benefited from India. But our national leaders fought against them. After many fights, on 15th August 1947, our country got independence. So, on the day, we celebrate Independence Day. After getting independence also, our country did not got freedom because of caste discrimination and child marriage. The children who are 10 to 12 years should marry immediately. If not, they will punish it. There are also some caste discrimination in the olden days. The same situation was faced by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in his childhood. He used to sit outside of the classroom. By seeing through window, he was educated. And if he needed to drink water, somebody from higher class would pour from high. To overcome this situation, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar written our Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is a God's gift for our country. We always need to respect Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. If we won't read our Indian Constitution, we are in a horrible situation. Now, let us speak about our Indian Constitution. Constitution is a set of rules how the country should be governed and the law should be made. It was formed on 26th November 1949, but the Constitution came in effect on 26th January 1950. On the day we celebrate Republic Day. It took 2 years, 11 months and 80 days to complete the Constitution. In present, there are 448 articles with 12 schedules. And also, till 26th November 2024, there are 106 amendments in our Indian Constitution. Not only this, there are some rules in our Indian Constitution. For girls, 18 years and for boys, 21 years is a legal age for marriage. All should behave equally in the society. No one should show any caste discrimination. There are also some articles in our Indian Constitution like the Union and its territories, citizenship, fundamental rights, fundamental duties, directive principles of state policy, the states, the union, the municipalities, the panchayats, the cooperative societies, and so on. Now, my colleagues will symposium you on our Indian Constitution. Before starting the symposium, I will introduce my colleagues. She is Neha. She is very interested in playing chess. Meet my friend Sumera. She is very interested in playing she shows much fascination in biological sciences. Meet my friend Manaswini. She can solve mathematical problems very easily. She is Tamanna. She is very interested in playing sports. Meet my friend Adiba. She is very interested in reading Telugu stories. She is Satvika. She shows much fascination in playing chess. She is Deepika. She is a critical thinker of our class. Meet my friend Srinidhi. She shows much curiosity in dancing. She is Joshita. She is very interested in classical dance. She is Nageshwari. She is very interested in critical thinking. Meet my friend Rutvika. She is very fascinated in playing. She is Sureshwari. She is very interested in mathematical problems. Meet my friend Dipti. She is very interested in reading stories. She is Anusha. She is very interested in writings. Meet my friend Dikshita. She shows much fascination in sports. She is Sujana Priya. She is very interested in playing. Sujana. She shows much fascination in drawings. Meet my friend Linda. She is very interested in playing sports. Meet my friend Kirtana. She shows much curiosity in writing. She is Uma Maheshwari. She is very interested in reading Telugu stories. Meet my friend Kushipriya. She shows much fascination in reading books. She is Harshavardhini. She is very interested in biological sciences. Now my colleagues will start a symposium on our Indian Constitution. Let's begin. Name and territory of the Union, admission or establishment of new states, Sikkim to be associated with the Union, comes under Article 1 to 2.
Alternation area boundaries, name an existing state. It comes under Article 3. The law made under Articles 2 and 3 to provide amendment, 1st and 4th schedule and supplemental matter.
In the Constitution of India, it empowers the Parliament to make law, to admit and establish new states on customs and conditions as it thinks fit.
Name and territory of the Union.
India and 8 Union territories: Delhi, Andaman and Nicobar, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Lakshadweep and Puducherry. In Indian Constitution, the Union of India includes any state enjoying the status of being a member of the federal system and sharing the powers with the Union. The territory of India includes not only the states but also the Union territories as well as other territories and may be acquired by India in future. India shall be Union of States. The state and the territory shall be specified in the first schedule.
What is admit of new states?
Parliament may well establish new states on customs and conditions as it thinks fit. Sikkim to be associated with the Union and omitted by the Constitution, 36th Amendment Act 1975.
Explain about formation of new states and alternation area boundaries. Name an existing state.
Parliament may by law form a new state by the separation of territory from any state or by uniting two or more states, parts of state or by uniting a territory a part of any state, increasing the area of any state, diminishing the area of any state, altering the boundaries of any state.
What is law made under Articles 2 and supplemental matter?
Into Article 2 or Article 3 shall contain such provisions for the amendment of the first and the fourth schedule as may be necessary to give effect to the provisions of the law. Citizenship and the commencement of the Constitution, rights of citizenship of certain persons who have migrated to India from Pakistan, rights of citizenship of certain migrants to Pakistan. These articles come under 5 to 7. Rights of citizenship of certain persons of Indian origin residing outside India. Acquiring citizenship of a foreign state not to be citizens. It comes under Article 9. Continuances of the rights of citizenship, it comes under Article 10. Parliament to regulate the rights of citizenship by law, it comes under Article 11. What is the use of citizenship in India? Citizenship is dependent on a country, the rights to vote, to hold public office, to social security, to health services, or to engage in employment, amongst others. Joshita, what is citizenship? Is legally recognized as a citizen of more than one country, is also known as multiple citizenship or binary nationality. Why citizenship is important? Citizenship is important because it gives people rights and responsibilities that connect them to a country. Citizenship can also grant legal benefits such as right to vote, work, and receive government protection. What is
ఈ మూడు పని చేస్తావా?
The Parliament of India has the power to regulate the matter of citizenship through legislation.
Of the fundamental rights.
Equality before law comes under Article 14. Prohibition of discrimination on grounds of public restaurants, hotels and public employment comes under Article 15. Abolition of untouchabilities comes under Article 17. Abolition of titles comes under Article 18.
And forceful labors. Prohibition of employment, children's factories, etc. It comes under Article 23 to 24.
Right to equality. Equality before law, freedom of speech, etc. Protection in respect of conventions and offences. Protection of life and personal liberty. Right to education. Protection against arrest and detention of certain cases. Comes under Article 19 to 22. Right. Freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion. Comes under Article 25. Freedom as to manage religious affairs comes under Article 26. Freedom as to attend religious instruction comes under Article 27 and 28.
It comes under Article 29, Rights of Minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. It comes under Article 30, Compulsory acquisition of property omitted. It comes under Article 31. Article 31A, saving of certain laws providing for estates, acquisitions, etc. Article 31B, validation or creation of certain laws. Article 31C, saving of laws giving effect to certain directive principles. Article 31D, saving of laws giving effect to acts and regulations, etc. Remedies for enforcement of rights conferred by this part comes under Article 32. A constitutional validity of state laws not to be considered in proceedings under Article 32 omitted.
Ideas conferred by this part in their application of forces. This comes under the Article 33. Restrictions on rights conferred by this part under the Article 34. Legislation to give effect on these provisions comes under the Article 35.
What are the 7 fundamental rights?
Rights of Indian Constitution or a set of basic freedom that are guaranteed to all citizens. There are outlined in Articles 12 to 35 of Part 3 in the Constitution. Fundamental rights, right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies.
Part 4, Directive Principles of State Policy, Article 36 Definition, Article 37 Application of Principles contained in this part. Article 38 State to secure social order for the promotion, welfare of the people.
Certain principles of policy to be followed by the state: equal justice and free legal aid, organizations of village free legal aid, organizations of village panchayats comes under the Article 39 to 40.
Right to work in some certain cases. Provisions for just and maternity relief of work.
Participation of workers in management of industries. Cooperative societies. Civil Code for the citizens.
Provision for the age of 6 years. It comes under Article 45. Promotion of education and economic interest of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and other weaker sections. It comes under Article 46. Duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition and the standard of living and to improve public health. It comes under Article 47. Organization of agriculture and animal husbandry. It comes under Article 48. Protection and improvement of environment and safeguarding of forest and wildlife. It comes under Article 48A.
49. Protection of monuments and places and objects of national importance. Article 50. Separation of judiciary from executive. Article 51. Promotion of international peace and security.
Range of principles is contained in this.
Shall not be enforceable by any court, but the principles laid down nevertheless fundamental in the governance of the country, and it shall be the duty of the state to organize.
What is the state to secure order of promotion of welfare of the people?
The state shall organize the welfare of the people by securing and protecting as effectively as it Maya social order in which social, justice, economic, political and national life.
What are the certain principles followed by the state?
The state shall in particular direct its policy towards securing that all the citizens, men and women, equally have the right to mean of livelihood.
What are equal justice and free legal aid?
The state shall operations of the legal system promote justice on the basis of equal opportunity and shall in free legal aid by suitable legislation.
What are organizations of village panchayats?
The state shall take place to organize village panchayats and endow them with its powers and authorities.
Central duties comes under Article 51.
Chapter 1. The Executive, the President and Vice President. The President of India, it comes under Article 52. Executive power of the Union, it comes under Article 53. Election of President, it comes under Article 54. Manner of election of President, it comes under Article 55. Part 5. The Union, Chapter 1.
The term of office for president comes under Article 56. Eligibility for re-election comes under Article 57. Qualifications for the election as president comes under Article 59.
Arrangement of the President comes under Article 61. Time of holding election to fill vacancy in the office of President and the term of office of person to elected as one vacancy comes under Article 62.
Elections of Vice President and the term of office of Vice President. The term of office of Vice President. Time of holding election to fill vacancy in the office of Vice President and the term of person who elected to fill casual vacancy. Oath or affirmation by the Vice President. These come under Article 66 to Article 69. In Article 67 of Constitution of India says thus, the Vice President should hold his office for every 5 years from the date on which he enters. So, he is electing a person for every 5 years. The use of Article 67 of Constitution of India is, there is a chance for every elected person for every 5 years.
Discharge continuation. Matter related to or contained with election president or vice president. Power of president, grant etc. Suspend anytime community centers and certain cases. Exit and executive power of the union. It comes under Article 779.
Council of Ministers to act in aid of the Supreme Court. Other privileges as to ministers. These articles comes under 74 to 75. These articles says that the Prime Minister of India shall be appointed by the President and the other ministers shall be appointed by the President and the advice of Prime Minister.
The Attorney General for India. Attorney General for India. It comes under Article 76.
Of India comes under Article 77.
duties of Prime Minister has respect to furnishing information to the President, etc. comes under Article 78.
Parliament. Parliament comes under Article 72. Composition of the House of the People comes under Article 80. Composition of the House of the People comes under Article 82. Qualification of members, propagation and dissolution. Right to President to address and send messages to houses. Special address by the President. Right to ministers and authority has general in respect of houses.
The power of the Union. Who had power to elect the President? The President is elected by the members of Electoral College of the elected members. Do you know what is the manner towards the election of the President? What is the term of President? The President can hold a term of 5 years on the date which he entered into his office.
Officers of the Council of the State, vacation and legislation removal of the Council of the State, the power of the President to promulgate during additional sessions of the Parliament.
Of the House of the People comes under Article 92. The Speaker and the Deputy Speaker of the House of the People comes under Article 93. Vacation and resignation of and removal from the offices of Speaker and Deputy Speaker comes under Article 94.
To perform the duties or act as Speaker, it comes under Article 95.
97. Salaries and allowances of Chairman, Deputy Chairman, Speaker and Deputy Speaker. Article 98. Secretariat of Parliament. Oath or occupation by members. Article 100. Voting of houses, power of houses, act as not outstanding vacancies and quorum.
Disqualification from membership, vacation of seats, disqualification from membership, decision on questions for disqualification members. This comes under the Article 101 to 103. The main theme of my article is a person employed in or in with the collection of the telecommunication system to set up for his purposes.
Article 105 powers ministers and entities or state legislators and their members. Article 106 salaries and allowances of members.
Passing of bills, special procedure in respect of money bills, definition of money bills, assigning to bills comes under the Article 107 to 111.
Annual financial statements, appropriation bills. These comes under Article 112 to 114.
Additionally and excess grants. Article 116. Oaths on account, oaths on credit and exceptional grants. Article 117. Special provision has to financial bills.
Procedure. Article 190. Regulation by law of procedure in Parliament in relation of financial business. Article 120. Languages to be used in Parliament. Article 121. Restriction on discussion in Parliament. Article 122. Restrict cons into. Chapter 3. Legislative powers of the President. Legislative powers of the President to promulgate ordinances during assistance of Parliament.
Salaries, etc. Salaries, etc. of judges. It comes under Article 125. Appointment of acting Chief Justice. It comes under Article 126. Appointment of acting ad hoc judges comes under Article 127. The attendance of retired judges at sittings of the Supreme Court. It comes under Article 120.
Establishment of Constitution. Article 134. National Judicial
Supreme Court. It comes under Article 120.
Supreme Court to be court of record comes under Article 129 to 131.
Exclusive jurisdiction of Supreme Court to regulate two questions to constitutional matter in centralized comes under Article 131A.
Appeal by the Supreme Court. Review of judgment or order by the Supreme Court. Enactment of jurisdiction by the Supreme Court. These comes under Article 136 to 138. In Article 136 of Constitution of India is allowing Supreme Court to grant special leave to appear
certain rights, transfer of certain cases, unclearly by the power of Supreme Court. The law declared by the Supreme Court shall be binding on all courts. It comes under Article 131 to 141.
Orders of Supreme Court and orders as to discovery, etc. Power of President to consult Supreme Court. Civil and judicial authorities to act in aid of the Supreme Court. Special provisions relating to constitutional validity of laws. These articles comes under 142 to 144. These articles says that all authorities, civil and judicial, in the territory of India shall act in aid of the Supreme Court, etc. It comes under Article 140. Officers and servants and the expanses of the rights of citizens. It comes under Article 146. Interpretation. It comes under Article 146. Interpretation. It comes under
Comptroller and Auditor General of India, duties and powers of Comptroller and Auditor General, form of accounts of Union and other states, audit report. These articles comes under Article 148 to 151.
To Governor comes under Article 154. Application of Governor comes under Article 155. Oath or affirmation given by Governor comes under Article 156. Contents of these states.
the provinces to be a minister. It comes under Article 163 to 164.
Article 165 says that Advocate General for the state.
Conduct of businesses. Conduct of businesses of the government of the state. It comes under Article 166. Duties of the Chief Minister has respect to the furnishing of information to Governor. It comes under Article 167.
Subjects, General, Composition of State Legislatures, Constitution of State Legislatures in the State Councils, Composition of Legislative Assemblies, Composition of Legislative Councils, Duration of States, under the Article 368 to 171.
Sessions of the state legislature, prorogation and dissolution, right of governor to send messages to both houses of parliament, special address by the governor, right of ministers and advocate general has to respect the houses. These articles comes under Article 173 to 177.
The officers of the state legislature. The speaker and the deputy speaker of the state legislature. Restriction on removal from the offices of the speaker and the deputy speaker. This comes under the Article 178 to 179. The main theme of my article is a speaker is appointed by the Article 178 to rule during meetings in state legislative assembly.
Officers of the state legislators. Article 181. The Speaker or the Deputy Speaker not to preside while a resolution from his removal under consideration. Article 181. In the Legislative Council. Article 183. Vocational resignation and removal from office of the Chairman and Deputy Chairman.
Jammu and Kashmir, appointed by the President of the state and shall be appointed of his hand and his hold of his functions and exercise of him.
What is it?
The executive powers of the state shall be vested and shall be appointed by him either directly or through officers subordinates in accordance with this constitution.
How to appoint the appointment of a governor?
The governor is appointed by the President of the state and shall be holded of his hand and shall be exercised and functions should be settled by him.
Officers of the state legislators. Article 181. The Speaker or the Deputy Speaker.
The duties from the office or act as a chairman. The deputy chairman or chairman not to preside with a resolution from his removal under his consideration comes under the Article 184 to 185.
Of Speaker, Deputy Speaker, Chairman and Deputy Chairman. By members. Voting in houses, power of houses to act notwithstanding vacancies and quorum.
Vacation of seats. Article 191. Disqualifications of membership. Article 193. Decision on questions has to. Disqualifications of members. Article 193. Penalty for sitting and voting before making oath aforementioned under Article 188 or when qualified or
the members of community. Article 195. Salaries and allowances of members.
Reduction passing of bills. Article 199. Definition of money bills.
Annual financial matters, it comes under Article 202. Procedure in legislature with respect to estimates, it comes under Article 203. Appropriation bills, it comes under Article 204. Votes of account, votes of credit and exceptional grants, it comes under Article 205. Supplementary, additional or excess grants, it comes under Article 206. Special provisions as to financial bills, it comes under Article 207.
Regulations by law of procedure relating to financial businesses. Seats of Supreme Court comes under Article 208 to 212.
Transfer of judges from one high court to another. Appointment of acting chief justice. Appointment of additional acting judges. It comes under Article 221 to 224.
Jurisdiction of existing high courts. Power of high courts to issue certain rates. Constitutional validity of central laws not to be considered in proceedings under Article 224. These articles comes under 224A to 226A. This article says that the power of Parliament not to be considered under Article 224. Power of superintendence overall goes by the High Court. It superintendence overall goes by the High Court. It comes under Article 227. Transfer of certain cases by High Court. It comes under Article 228.
The power of the governor. Power of governor to promulgate ordinances during recess of legislature comes under Article 230.
Of a High Court. Application of certain provisions relating to Supreme Court to High Court. Oath or affirmation of judge by the High Court. Restriction on practice after being a permanent judge. These comes under Article 217 to 220. In Article 219 of Constitution of India says that the mandates of every person appointed as a High Court judge must take an oath or affirmation before the governor of the state or designated person.
And establishment of common high court for two or more states. Interpretation articles 230, 231 and 232 subs by articles 230 and 231. These articles comes under article 229 to 232.
Other than judges and judicial services. Control over subordinate courts. Interpretation. Application of this chapter in certain cases. Part 8. The Union Territories.
Gram Sabha, Article 243A. Constitution of Panchayats, Article 243D. Composition of Panchayats, Article 243C. Manasmi, say about Panchayats and Gram Sabha and Constitution.
Panchayat means an institution under Article 243B in the rural areas. A Gram Sabha may exercise such powers and perform such functions at the village level.
Most taxes by funds. What are they in Constitution?
Seats and bills
That are they in Constitution or not?
the legislature of
Are existing continuous laws and panchayats in Constitution?
notwithstanding anything in this part.
Duration of panchayats, disqualification for members is powers to impose the taxes of panchayats, powers, authorities, privileges of panchayats, constitution of financial matters to review financial provisions under the Article 243D to 243I. Panchayat application to the Union Territories, part not to apply in certain areas, continuance of existing laws and panchayats, bar to interference by courts in electoral matters. These articles comes under Article 243J to Article 243N.
A. The municipalities. Definition. Constitution of municipalities. Composition of municipalities. Constitution and composition of wards, committees, municipalities, etc. Duration of seats. Reservation of seats. This comes under the Article 240PQ, 240PQ. The main theme of my article is a person employed in or with the connection of the telecommunication system.
Article 243 ZT begins Article 243 ZU Offences and penalties. Article 243ZR. Application to multi-state and cooperative societies. Article 243ZS. Continuance of existing laws. Article 243ZT. Application to union territories.
India defines scheduled and tribal areas under the Article 244 and that is governed by 5th and 6th schedule. The 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution relates to those areas in the state Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Tripura, which are declared as tribal areas and which can provide regional autonomous councils for such areas.
Deepika, do you know that
243D provides reservation of seats for scheduled and tribal areas in panchayats.
Deepika,
Scheduled and tribal areas were also part of the Indian Constitution in part 10 under the Article 244.
Deepika, why exactly?
The 5th schedule of the Indian Constitution, which can provide administration for scheduled and tribal areas in 10 states of India.
244. Administration of Scheduled Area and Tribal Area. Article 244A. Formation of an autonomous state comprising such as tribal areas in Assam, local creatures and council of ministers.
Article 250. Power of Parliament to legislate with respect to estimates in the state list if a proclamation of emergency is in operation, and it comes under Article 250. Inconsistency between laws made by Parliament and laws made by legislatures of states, it comes under Article 251, power of Parliament to legislate for 2 or more states and condemn the adoption of such legislation by any other state.
International agreements, inconsistency between the laws made by Parliament and the laws made by legislation of a state. Requirements as recommendations and previous sanctions to be regarded as matters of proceedings only. Comes under Article 253 to 255.
Disputes relating to waters of interstate rivers or river valleys comes under Article 262. Coordination between the states. Provisions with respect in an interstate council comes under Article 263. In Article 262 helps us to ensure the water resources are used and managed properly.
Interpretation. Taxes not to be imposed, saved by the authority of law. Consolidated funds and public account of India. Contingency funds. It comes under Article 264 to 267.
And distributed between the Union and the states. It comes under Article 270. Such as uncertain duties and taxes for purpose of the Union. It comes under Article 271. Taxes which are levied in the states. It comes under Article 272. Provision, trade, calling and employment, saving, agreement with the state in the part B of the first schedule to regard certain financial matters, calculation of net profits, goods and service taxes counted, Finance Commission, recommendation of Finance Commission. These articles comes under Article 275 to 281.
Emergency provisions under states and the unions comes under Article 282 to 283. Liabilities and obligations and suit. Article 294 says that succession to property, assets, rights, liabilities and obligations in certain cases. Article 295 says that succession to property, assets, rights, liabilities and obligations in other cases. Article 296 says that property acquired by exchange on additive
On electricity, exemption of taxation in respect of conventions and offences. Adjustment of certain waivers from funds, private rates, sum of rules omitted.
to carry on trade, etc. Contracts, suits and procedures. These articles comes under Article 298 to 300. Chapter 308. Person not to be deprived of property save by authority of law. Within the territory of India, Article 301, freedom of trade, commerce and intercourse. Article 302, restrict power of Parliament to impose restrictions on freedom of trade, commerce and intercourse. Article 303, Restrictions on trade, commerce and intercourse among all the states.
Saving of existing laws and laws providing for state monopolies is concerned under the Article 305. Saving of existing laws. This comes under the Article 306. The main aim of my article is which can promote free trade and commerce to the people.
Services under the Union Amnesty, Chapter 1, Services, Article 300, Intermediation, Article 300, Requirements and Conditions, Service of Persons, Servicing Union Amnesty, Article 310, Pension of Office, Servicing Union Amnesty, Article 311, Dismissal and Removal, Rank of Persons employed in civil capacities, Article 312, All India Services.
It comes under Article 323A, Tribunals for other matters. It comes under Article 323B.
Superintends direction and control of elections to be vested in Election Commission. Article 325. No person to be eligible for inclusion or to incline in a special electoral of elections.
Power of legislature of a state to make provision with respect to elections to such legislature. It comes under Article 328. Back to interference by courts in electoral matters. It comes under Article 329. Special provisions as to financial bills. In the case of Prime Minister and Speaker omitted, it comes under Article 329A.
Language of the Union. Official language of the Union, Commission or Parliament of the official language. It comes under Article 344 to 345.
Article Special provisions relating to certain classes. Reservations of seats for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the House of the People. Representation of Anglo-Indian community in the House of the People. Reservations of seats for the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the Legislature of Assemblies. Comes under Article 330 to 331.
Areas and scheduled rights of the Union. Appointment of commission with the Union and the Union territories. Scheduled castes, scheduled tribes.
Used in the Supreme Court and in the High Court and for acts, bills, etc. It comes under Article 348. Teaching of the revenues and the state and the union, it comes under Article 353 to 355.
For communication between a state and another or between a state and a union. Special provisions relating to language spoken by a section of the population of a state. These articles comes under 345 to 347. These articles says that provided that if two or more languages, that the Hindi language should be the official language for communication.
For redress of grievances. Directive for development of Hindi language. These articles comes under 350 to 351.
Expenditure of the revenues and the state and the union, it comes under Article 353 to 355.
Provisions in the case of schedule, exercise under Broken under Article 356.
Rulers of Indian states to choose and fully
Of the Constitution. Power of the Parliament to amend the Constitution. Proceed, therefore. It comes under Article 368. Provision. Article 369. Temporary provision with respect to the state of Punjab. Article 370. Temporary provision with respect to the Jammu and Kashmir. Special provision with respect to the states of Gujarat and Maharashtra. Special provision with respect to the state of Assam. Special provision with respect to the state of Manipur. Special provision with respect to the state of Andhra Pradesh and also the state of Telangana. These articles comes under Article 371A to Article 371D.
With respect to the state of Assam, special provisions with respect to the state of Meghalaya, special provisions with respect to the state of Mizoram, special provisions with respect to the state of Goa, special provisions with respect to the state of Arunachal Pradesh. This comes under the Article 370A to 371B.
Continuance of force for existing laws and their adoption. Article 373. Powers of the President to adopt laws.
Societies of Legislation Assembly. Omitted. It comes under Article 386.
First schedule, the states, the union territories.
of the People. Part C. Provisions as to the Speaker, Deputy Speaker of the House of the People, and Chairman and the Deputy Chairman of the State Council.
Part C. Provision as to the from Supreme Court to High Court.
Allocation of seats in the Council of State.
Provision as to the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. Part A. General. Part B. Administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. In 5th schedule of Constitution of India says that the governor of state has special responsibilities of tribal populations and tribal areas.
Provisions as to the administration of tribal areas, the states of Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya, and Mizoram. Regulations. Then the responsibilities of panchayats.
Part B. Amendment of Schedule.
6th schedule. List 1, Union list. List 2, State list. List 3, concurrent list. As to disqualification or grounds of defection. Powers, authorities, responsibilities, municipalities, etc.
Good, my dear colleagues. You analyzed the symposium very beautifully and submitted your ideas very clearly. Before this, I and my classmates discussed a new venture. In many areas, we watched it, but finally, as this was the 75th year of our Indian Constitution, we plan to analyze about our Indian Constitution. We are very proud of our teacher, Usha Sri ma'am, who coordinated us by giving good ideas and materials. We are very grateful to Balaya's School for giving this platform to us. Maybe, I hope this platform will be useful to us in future. Last but not the least, I thank Brother Jesura Desanje Garu for supporting her always. Thank you. And thank you everyone. Now one duty for preamble. The people of India
having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status, and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation in our constituent assembly is 26th day of November 1949 do hereby adopt and act and give to ourselves this constitution.
అందరూ తెలవాలి
East or west, Balayasu is the best. East or west, Balayasu is the best.
అయిపోయిందా ఓకే కనుక బ్యాగ్ రా
కొని గ్రూప్ ఫోటో అన్నీ ఉండాలి అవన్నీ బ్యాగ్ పెట్టుకోవాలి ఫోటో తీసుకో ఫైల్ పెట్టు
కళ్ళు మీయద్దు ఇక్కడ చూడాలి పిల్లలు కనపడుతుంది నాకెళ్ళి చూడాలి ఓకే